Hello and welcome to my channel where I explore connections between philosophy and photography. My name is Mirza and I'm a photographer and also a lifelong philosopher with a college degree in this study. On this channel, I will share with you how philosophy helped me understand and appreciate the art of photography, and also how photography inspired me to think more deeply and creatively about the world. I will share with you how I applied my philosophical thinking to create multi award winning photos. Now, I've always been fascinated by both philosophy and photography since I was a kid. I remember reading works by Plato, Descartes, Kant, and other great thinkers and wondering about the big questions of life, such as what is reality? What is truth? What is ethical? What is beauty? And what is the meaning of existence? So I went on and I formally studied and received my bachelor's degree in philosophy and deeply fell in love with the pursuit of wisdom and deeper understanding of life that it offered. The process of continuous philosophical reading and debating satisfied my intellectual side and my insatiable appetite for knowledge and truth. But I also have a very strong creative side that required watering. I still remember taking pictures with my very first old film camera and capturing moments of joy, sadness, wonder, and awe. I loved how photography could tell stories, express emotions, and reveal perspectives that words alone could not. And once I upgraded to digital cameras, the freedom to experiment came at no cost other than time, and my artistic expression truly started to bloom. Photography fulfilled my creative side. And as I grew older and gained decades of experience, I realized that philosophy and truly exceptional photography have a lot in common. They both require curiosity, creativity, and critical thinking. They both challenge us to look beyond the surface and to question our assumptions and beliefs. They both invite us to explore different ways of seeing the world and understanding it, and to appreciate its diversity and complexity. They both enrich our lives with knowledge, wisdom, and beauty. That is why I decided to create this channel, to share with you my passion for philosophy and photography, and to show you how they can enhance each other. In each video, I will discuss a philosophical concept or idea and show you how it relates to creating better, more exceptional photography. For example, I will talk about how Plato's allegory of the cave can help us understand the essence of photography, or how Kant's critique of pure reason can help us evaluate the aesthetic value of photographs. I will also show you examples of photographs that illustrate or challenge these philosophical ideas and give you tips and tricks on how to take better pictures with your own camera. I have very much appreciated all those along the way who have helped me and tutored me to get me to where I am today. I'm at a point in my life and career where I feel an obligation that it is my turn to do the same for the next generation. This series is a passion project of mine and will condense my more than 2 decades of experience in both worlds and will show you the secrets behind my approach and success. So, whether you are a professional photographer looking to advance your skill and thinking, or an amateur at home looking for ways to capture your family photos in a more appealing way, this series will teach you about how to think about photography a little differently to achieve that. My goal is to make philosophy and photography accessible and enjoyable for everyone, regardless of your background, education, or experience level. Whether you are interested in philosophy or photography or both, whether you use a smartphone, a DSLR, a mirrorless, or film, I hope you will find something useful and interesting on this channel. So if you are ready to join me on this journey of discovery and creativity, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of new videos. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of this video and what topics you would like me to cover in the future. I would love to hear from you and learn from you as well on this journey. Thank you for watching this introduction. If you're intrigued, please head on over to episode 1. Appropriately, the very first episode talks about the most important topic without which neither the photo nor the philosopher would exist, and that is light.